Do you want to know the top colors for the year 2021? Do you want to know the latest in interior design? In today's video, I will show you the colors proposed for 2021. We will see some ideas together on how to combine and use them in interior design. If you are new here, I'm Zaira Kuri, architect, interior and lighting designer, founder of D.Signers. I love to know your preferences. So please guys, after watching this video, let me know in a comment below which one is your favorite color of the year. Don't forget to click the like button because it is powerful and important way of supporting this channel and our content. I will appreciate it very much. Colors are an essential element in our life, especially in interior design, since they directly affect how we perceive a space and consequently our mood and emotions. Are you ready to get inspired and to know the colors of the year? Let's get started. Aegean Teal by Benjamin Moore. This greenish blue shade is cozy and relaxing, essential qualities these days since more than ever we are spending more time in our homes. It is a fresh color that can be used in any area of our home. This tone is a cool color. Therefore, it is ideal for creating contrast using warm neutrals and materials and textures such as natural wood, linen fabrics, jute, rustic elements, gold brass, rose gold, etc. You can also opt for a palette, combining this tone with other blue or green tones. However, it is always good to add warm materials as they create balance and contrast in the composition. This tone can be used in multiple ways in your interiors, on an accent wall, as a color for shelves, interior or front doors, bathroom vanity, and in the cabinets or on kitchen islands. In the Kitchen Trends for 2021 video that I shared with you a few weeks ago, we talk about these tones as kitchen favorites. If you haven't seen yet and you're looking for new ideas for your kitchen, I'll leave you the link up here and in the description box. Urban Bronze is Sherwin-Williams' color of the year, and it is a warm and earthy paint color. It is a shade between brown and gray with green undertones. Sherwin-Williams describes it as a pure and minimalist expression of nature. Urban Bronze conveys a sense of warmth and welcome. This shade is ideal to combine with warm neutrals or greens. As biophilia and everything that connects with nature continues to be a trend in interior design, the ideal materials to combine this color are natural materials like wood finishes, especially in light tones, to create contrast with the darkness of the Urban Bronze color. Also, stone accents like Carrara marble, tan leather, wool, jute, wooden seat, organic textile, or anything other warm and natural material. Adding a touch of shine with brass finishes through details is an extraordinary way to contrast all these natural and organic elements. As a dark tone, it is essential to consider the amount of natural and artificial light in the space before deciding to use it. Every year, Pantone chooses a color depending on trends, situations, and human behavior. As people look for ways to fortify themselves with energy, clarity, and hope these days, Pantone selected two colors, Illuminating Yellow and Ultimate Gray, as color of the year. Colors evoke feelings and emotions. Yellow is the color of happiness, optimism, creativity, joy, sunshine, spring, and positivity. It is the brightest of all the colors in the spectrum. It is the color that captures our attention and evokes creativity more than any other color. The juxtaposition of these two colors selected by Pantone is interesting. Gray is prevalent neutral color used in interior design. However, yellow is such an energetic color, we must use them in appropriate doses and places. Yellow is best used as an accent color. It can be for the front door, pillows, accent chair, ottoman, kitchen stools, cabinets, an eye-catching sofa in a neutral room, etc. If you need a touch of positivity, optimism, and joy, this might be a good option. Be creative, but be careful. Yellow and gray can be combined with other neutral colors, such as white and black for a contemporary look. If you like bold and vibrant colors, you can combine yellow with a few complementary touches of colors. By the way, if you want to know how to combine yellow or another color, I will leave you an excellent video up here and in the description box below, where I explain how to use the color wheel to achieve perfect combinations. And if you're more of a graphic learner, I also have 2 free guides on color theory and color combination. You can check that out in the description box below to download them. I hope it helps. Another tone inspired by nature's colors, which gives an exquisite style to our room. It's relaxing and pleasant. You can use this color in the living room, bedroom, or even on your kitchen cabinets or island. There to combine them with cool touches if you want to add light and elegance to your design. It is a perfect color to be combined with other green tones, earthy tones, warm neutrals, whites, and of course, natural textures such as any wooden tone, jute, linen, or tan leather. And for the last color, I will not present a single color. I will present several warm neutral tones. Sherwin-Williams presents these neutral warm tones as part of the color palette of the year. They are the perfect base to combine with the trendy colors inspired by nature, such as greens, clay, urban bronze, among others. Warm neutrals are great for giving our spaces a nice, cozy, and relaxing feel. Without a doubt, warm neutrals serve as a perfect background of all trends focused and inspired by nature and relaxation. Best of all, these neutrals are excellent for creating calm, warm, and relaxed spaces, essential conditions for any area of our home. Combine them with an accent color that complements your style and other decorative elements. By the way, I have an excellent video explaining how to choose the perfect neutral color. I will leave you the link up here and in the description box below. Remember that the color palette you choose for your spaces should make you feel good and transmit a positive vibe to you. So before following trends and choosing a color, think and evaluate your taste, your style, and the sensations you want to feel in the different spaces of your home. So now it's your turn to let me know in a comment below which of these colors is your favorite one. Guys, if you liked this video, please click like to support this channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember to follow me on my personal Instagram where I share tips and valuable information on interior design, architecture, and lighting design. Have a beautiful week. See you in the next one.